In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the compass in Google Maps. The compass in Google Maps is a small but powerful tool that helps you understand which direction you're facing, so you can navigate more confidently, especially when you're walking in an unfamiliar place. In this guide, I'll walk you through how it works, how to activate it, and some simple tips to make sure it's accurate. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure that location services are turned on. This allows Maps to detect where you are and which way you're facing. If you see a message asking for permission to access your location, go ahead and allow it. On the main map screen, look for the blue dot that represents your current location. This dot is the starting point for using the compass. Now, tap once on that blue dot. When you do this, a small panel will appear at the bottom of the screen with more details about your location. This is also where Google Maps checks your device's compass and shows you how accurate it is. If your compass needs calibration, you'll usually see a prompt suggesting that you move your phone in a figure-8 motion. Hold your phone in front of you and slowly trace a big figure 8 in the air a few times. This helps your device recalibrate its sensors so the direction is more precise. Try not to rush this. A smooth motion gives better results. Once calibrated, look at your blue location dot again. You should see a cone or small beam extending from it. That beam shows the direction your phone is currently facing. If you turn your body left or right while holding your phone, you'll see that beam rotate on the map, matching your movement in real time. To take full advantage of the compass, tap the location button, usually found in the lower corner of the map. Tapping it once centers the map on your position. Tapping it again often switches the view so the map rotates to match the direction you're facing. This mode is especially helpful when you're walking and trying to match what you see on the screen with what's in front of you. If the map ever seems off or the direction feels wrong, repeat the figure-8 motion to recalibrate. Also, avoid placing your phone near strong magnets or metal objects, as they can interfere with the compass. With these steps, you'll be able to use the compass in Google Maps to orient yourself quickly and navigate with much more confidence.